Okay, so we just got done looking at complementary angles, which are 90-degree or right angles. Supplementary angles are straight lines, and straight lines add up to 180 degrees. And it doesn't matter if it's a horizontal straight line, if it is, if it'll let me turn it here, if it is vertical, if it is diagonal, it doesn't matter how this looks. A straight line is a straight line. It adds up to 180 degrees. So this is a similar concept to complementary angles. On the right here, I have a straight line. It's just cut up into two different pieces. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on the diagonal just so everybody can see it. There's my straight line. It's cut up into this piece right here, which measures 40 degrees, and is cut up into this unknown piece, which is x. But if I take this unknown piece, which is x, plus this 40-degree piece, it will give me 180 because it's just a straight line, just like this on the left, that was broken apart or cut into two pieces. So in this case, x will be 140, which makes sense. Because if we're saying that x is 140, 140 plus 40 is 180. The example on the bottom here, it's the same idea. We have a straight line, and this time it's just been cut into three pieces. So we have our unknown x. If we join that with our 100-degree piece, our 55-degree piece, those three pieces will give us 180. So x plus 155 equals 180, and then you'll just subtract 155 from each side. So 180 minus 155 tells us that in this case, x is worth 25. And again, it checks out. You can check your work by doing 25 plus 100 plus 55 to prove that that gives you 180. You can go ahead and pause these and work through them at your leisure. When you're ready to unpause, go ahead and unpause and you'll listen to me go through it. The first one says angle A and B are supplementary. That's key because right away I hear that word supplementary and I know, okay, these are on a straight line. If angle B measures 30, what is the measure of angle A? There's a 30-degree angle. I'm going to call that angle A. It doesn't matter how you draw this. You could have drawn it a variety of ways. The main thing is that somewhere you have a straight line that's been cut up into two separate pieces. One of those pieces, the unknown A, the other piece is what we know is 30, and we know that together they form a straight line, which is 180. This problem is very simple algebraically. The most important thing here would have been being able to read the problem and pick out that it's supplementary. Second one is a little bit trickier here. So determine the measure of angle ABC. ABC is right here. It's 120. We have that. Now if we need to find the value for x, we know that this angle 120 plus this angle 3x. If we add these two together, it forms that straight line, which is that supplement, those supplementary angles that we're looking for here. And from this case, it's a two-step equation. We take 120 away from each side. Boom. Cancel. We have 3x equals 60, which means x equals 20. So the key points from today's lesson going into the work are that complements add up to 90 degrees. Supplements add up to 180 degrees. And what we'll look at tomorrow are vertical or opposite angles are congruent to each other. So go ahead back on your assignment in Canvas and give it a try.